Welcome back, Pom Pom fam. If you're on the rotational monofeeding diet, you may be wondering why your dog is losing weight so fast. Today, I'll explain why your dog is losing weight as well as steps to take to adjust the weight accordingly. There's a file with an in-depth explanation of weight loss in the Facebook group mentioned in the description, so check it out. It was written mainly by Nora Lenz and Lauren Whiteman, who are experts on this topic. Let's start. The first thing that people notice on the RMF diet may be the weight loss. Most likely your dogs were on another diet before RMF, which could be commercial dog food, home-cooked meals, or other raw diets. The common thing among these diets is that most of these diets are too high in fat or loaded with toxins. When these toxins enter a dog's body, it gets stored into fat cells. Fat cells are created to store toxins to take some burden off of the organs whose main function was to eliminate and detox waste. When you stop adding toxin to the body, whether it's in the form of oral medication or injection, supplements, improper foods, etc., then the body can be in the right circumstance to clean itself. Getting rid of the fat cells is only the beginning of the healing process. The next healing stage the body goes through is detoxing and healing the organs, muscles, bones, teeth, eyes, hair, etc., going deeper and deeper if given the right circumstance to heal. Depending on how long and how much toxin has been in the body will take as much time to heal accordingly. Dogs who have more trouble gaining back weight usually need longer and deeper healing to heal the digestive system. Imagine that a dog's body is a single house. The liver is the trash can. If we keep putting waste into the trash can without cleaning it out, it will eventually fill up. Once the trash can is at its maximum capacity to handle waste, the waste will overflow to different parts of the house. The time it takes to clean up the whole house depends on how much waste, the kind of waste, and the overall health of the house. Everything needs to be taken into account from the inside out. Dead, diseased, and damaged cells needs to be eliminated, and this means that weight loss is one of the result of doing so. So once the dog's body is cleaned up, the weight will naturally balance out. So what exactly does a healthy weight look like? Every dog is slightly different. A golden retriever cannot be compared to a Pomeranian. However, the general look and feel of a healthy weight dog should be pretty similar. What you should see and feel in a healthy weight dog is, from a side profile, there should be a gentle curve from the last rib to the rear legs. The ribs and spine should be visible. You should be able to feel the spine vertebrae and feel the ribs slightly at the surface. And from the top view, their body should be in the shape of an hourglass, slight curve at the waist. They should not look like a sausage from head to butt. Again, refer to the weight loss file in the Facebook group to get more details about how it should look and feel for an appropriate healthy weight dog. It will explain what is too skinny, what is overweight, and what is the ideal weight, all by examining the physique. So some tips for increasing weight is to incrementally increase the percentage of food intake on plant days, add a meat day, add denser fruits on plant days, or remove a fast day. The denser the food, the more calories it has. If you're mainly feeding high water content fruits on plant days, try incorporating figs and dates. Meat is also very dense, much denser than fruits. Try adding a meat day or two. An example is you may be on a 3 plant day, 1 meat day, and 1 fast day rotation. You can adjust this to help your dog increase weight by doing a 2 plant day, 2 meat day, and 1 fast day rotation. Or you can even cut out a fast day so your rotation may look like 2 plant days and 2 meat days. Sometimes feeding more doesn't necessarily mean your dog will increase weight. If you tried everything that you possibly can to increase the dog's weight and it's not working, then it could be that the body still needs to go through a deeper process of detox until the weight can balance out over time. Some dogs on the RMF diet will stay skinny for a year or two or maybe even longer no matter what you do until the waste is finally cleaned out of the body. Once this happens, the body can function optimally and will be able to absorb the nutrients properly. The RMF diet is not a one-size-fits-all because this diet is customized to fit the circumstance of each dog, so it's very flexible. You just have to feed correctly, but the rotations are determined by the history and health of your dog. Again, check out the weight loss file in the RMF Facebook group because it also goes into detail about knowing if weight loss is not detox, how to deal with negativity. It also has inspiring stories of dogs losing weight and gaining it back. And it also has a chart of fruits and meat for reference to increase your dog's weight. So thank you again for watching Pom Pom fam, and we'll see you next Thursday. The Pom Pom Bros love you.